Okay, so Ashish and I are here. We're going to do a little PDF, CDF explanations. We're going to use uniform random variables to explain it. This is kind of going to be a little excerpt video to understand how they work together. Because one really important thing to understand is the fact that we are using the same variable here, the same uniform random variable with the same numbers, everything is the same, but between the PDF and the CDF, we're just looking at the same random variable a little bit differently. So we're going to go through and show you how these work. So Ashish and I are going to start to show the area underneath, or in his case, the point on the line at which the probabilities would end up equaling each other. So if I want to say I want to find the probabilities for the space in here, let's say this is 2, and I move along this section, Ashish would then move along that line to that 2 area, and the point at that line would be this same. So if I continue to move my marker across this area, signifying where we are going in probabilities, Ashish's marker shows that the exact same point in probabilities along the CDF line. So if I want to say I want to find the probability between 5 and 7, Ashish is now doing the same thing on his. His will come across to this y-axis and be the difference between those, whereas mine is the area here. And that is essentially how they work. Would you like to add anything, Ashish?
Yeah, so what you want to keep in mind is, let's say we know that the height of this area is going to be, it's a rectangle, right? So the area of this is 2 times 1 over 10. So this area is 0.2, right? So what that means is that the probability from 0 to 2, well, you don't want to look at area on this one. You only want to look at height.
I'll shift you a little bit.
Right here.
It's hard to see.
There you go. So the 0.2 height on the CDF refers to the 0.2 area on the PDF. And so if you did the same thing here, well, this area is the same area as this area right here. But these heights are a little bit different. The height here is going to be 7/10, so that's a 0.7. And the height here is going to be 0.5. So like he was saying, you take these two right here, right? Because if you remember, the CDF of 7 refers to the entire area from 7 all the way down. And the CDF of 5 refers to the entire area from 5 and all the way down.
Yep.
Right? So what you want to do is you want to take the 0.7 area and subtract away the 0.5 area to find the area in between. So basically what you're doing is you're taking this whole area, subtracting away this area here, and you're left with this area here, which is what you're looking for. 0.7 minus a 0.5.
Yeah.